Hey Savvy Hustlers! Welcome back to Side Hustle Secrets. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing: the secret to making six figures with a side hustle. If you're ready to elevate your income and explore the untapped potential of your side gig, you're in for a treat. But before we spill the secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the insider tips we share. Now, let's uncover the mystery behind making six figures with a side hustle. Let's get started. 1. Identify your niche and passion. The first step in unlocking the six-figure potential of your side hustle is identifying your niche and passion. What do you love doing that others are willing to pay for? Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or consulting, find the intersection between your skills and market demand. Passion is the driving force behind a successful side hustle. When you're genuinely interested in what you're doing, it not only makes the work enjoyable, but also fuels your commitment to excel. Research the market to understand where your skills align with the needs of your target audience. This initial groundwork lays the foundation for a lucrative side hustle that aligns with your passions. Consider the profitability of your chosen niche. While passion is crucial, it's equally important to evaluate the market demand and potential earnings. A niche that combines your expertise and market demand increases the likelihood of reaching the coveted six-figure milestone. Moreover, some cashback apps offer additional perks like discounts, special promotions, or exclusive deals. This enhances the overall value you receive beyond the cashback, making it a more attractive option for savvy consumers. By being strategic with your app selection and leveraging these extra benefits, you can maximize your passive earnings. 2. Leverage digital platforms. In the digital age, reaching a six-figure income with your side hustle is within reach, thanks to various online platforms. Whether it's freelancing websites, e-commerce platforms, or social media, leverage these digital avenues to showcase your skills and attract clients or customers. The internet has democratized the business landscape, allowing individuals to turn their side hustles into profitable ventures. Create a strong online presence through platforms like Upwork, Etsy, or Instagram, depending on the nature of your hustle. Optimize your profiles, showcase your best work, and actively engage with your audience to build a credible online brand. Consistency is key when building an online presence. Regularly update your portfolio or product listings, share success stories, and interact with your audience through social media. This not only attracts potential clients or customers, but also builds trust and loyalty, essential elements for sustained growth and financial success. 3. Strategic pricing and upselling. Unlocking the six-figure potential of your side hustle involves strategic pricing and upselling. Don't undersell your skills. Instead, price your products or services competitively. Consider offering packages or add-on services to maximize your earnings. Many side hustlers underestimate the importance of strategic pricing. Research competitors in your niche, evaluate the value of your offerings, and set prices that reflect both your expertise and the market standard. Remember, pricing is a psychological factor. It communicates the value of what you're offering. Upselling is a powerful technique to increase your average transaction value. If you're providing a service, consider offering additional features or premium packages. For product-based hustles, bundle related items, or introduce limited-time offers, the key is to provide added value that justifies the higher price point, encouraging customers to invest more in your offerings. Consider creating tiered pricing structures to cater to different customer segments. This allows you to attract a broader audience by offering options at various price points. Tailor your upselling strategies based on customer preferences and feedback to maximize their satisfaction and your revenue. 4. Scale smartly and outsource. Scaling your side hustle is a crucial step towards six-figure success. However, it's essential to scale smartly. Identify tasks that can be outsourced, allowing you to focus on high-impact activities that contribute directly to your bottom line. As your side hustle gains traction, you'll find yourself juggling various responsibilities. Smart scaling involves delegating tasks that don't require your direct involvement. This could include administrative work, customer support, or even certain aspects of production. Outsourcing allows you to leverage the skills of others, increasing efficiency and freeing up your time to concentrate on tasks that drive revenue. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can connect you with talented freelancers who can handle specific aspects of your business. By strategically outsourcing, you create a scalable business model that positions you for sustained growth and increased earnings. Consider outsourcing tasks that are time-consuming or require specialized skills. This could include graphic design, website maintenance, or social media management. By focusing on your strengths and outsourcing the rest, you create a more streamlined and efficient operation. Diversify income streams. The secret to hitting that six-figure mark with your side hustle involves diversifying your income streams. Don't rely solely on one source. Explore additional avenues such as affiliate marketing, online courses, or passive income streams. Diversification is a risk mitigation strategy that applies to side hustles as well. Explore opportunities to generate income beyond your primary offering. This could involve creating and selling digital products, partnering with affiliate programs relevant to your niche, or even launching online courses or workshops to share your expertise. Diversification not only enhances your revenue potential, but also safeguards your income against fluctuations in the market. By having multiple income streams, you create a more resilient and adaptable side hustle that can weather economic changes and industry trends. Consider the life cycle of your products or services when diversifying income streams. Introduce complementary offerings that cater to the evolving needs of your audience. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, you might expand into offering design tutorials, templates, or even hosting design workshops. This way, you stay relevant and continue to attract revenue from both existing and new customers. Bonus 1. Mastering time management for side hustlers. Hey hustlers! As a bonus, let's talk about a game changer for your side hustle success: mastering time management. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stick around for some valuable tips to make the most of your precious time and boost your productivity. Effective time management is the key to achieving your six-figure side hustle goals. Start by creating a realistic schedule that allocates specific blocks of time to your side hustle activities. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines, ensuring you tackle high-impact activities during your most productive hours. Utilize productivity tools and apps to streamline your workflow. From project management tools like Trello or Asana to time-tracking apps like Toggle, these tools can help you stay organized and focused. Set clear goals for each work session, and don't forget to schedule breaks to recharge your energy and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember, consistency is key. Develop a routine that aligns with your natural energy levels and commitments. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, find the time that works best for you and stick to it. By mastering your time management skills, you'll maximize your efficiency and inch closer to that six-figure milestone with your side hustle. Ready to take your side hustle to the six-figure level? Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're serious about unlocking the full potential of your side gig, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive tips and insights. Let's hustle smarter, not harder.